Well, ako aminin ko kasi talaga, Sir MJ. I'm such a lover girl. I love
What do you mean
love.
by a lover girl?
Like, I love love. I love talking about love. Gusto ko yung minamahal ako at may nagmamahal sa akin.
Yes.
I love love. I think it's so beautiful. Pero siguro, growing up, syempre iba't ibang klaseng love naman yung na-experience nating lahat. Syempre iba't ibang love yung nabibigay natin sa bawat tao na nakakasalamuhan natin. But I think isa lang yung common denominator nilang lahat for me. I feel like love is unconditional. It comes without, again, no conditions. Para sa akin, parang tuwing tinatanong ako, lagi pag-interview, paano mo malalaman kung mahal mo yung isang tao? The thing is, with me, I can't pinpoint it. Ang alam ko lang is that mahal kita. Yun lang. Walang specific reason, walang expectations. I just love you. So I think love is unconditional.
Alright, ang galing. O, diba? We're just getting started. Pero